Nothing yet. Just got here.
Quite a few of them down along here we keep
About
seeing.
halfway back.
Yeah.
Oh, like the little ones?
Yeah, about that long.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they're
Yeah.
about that long.
Oh, okay.
But no big ones. No.
Not a foot.
I heard there's some in here, so
Oh,
that's what I'm trying to go for.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. Oh, there's a pretty medium-sized bass right there. Little tiny one, actually. So there are bass in here. See if I can hook up that small little bass there. Oh, there he is. And he came off. Dang. That was quick. That was first cast. That's a money cast. Oh. There he is. That's the guy we were looking for. He came back for it. All right, buddy. Hey. There he is. On the wacky rig. Cute little dude. All right. Grow big so I can catch you again. There he goes. That was fun. Oh, there he is. Oh my God. Oh. Get in here. Oh, yes, sir. Oh. Let's go, baby. There, guys. Damn. Look how big he is, but he's tiny. It's a football right here, guys. This guy's a beast of a dink. All right, buddy. Sick. Dirty cast right there. There's actually a heat warning out here, but I haven't fished in like a week or so, so I just had that urge to come out here, and it paid off. I know there's more though. I saw one just over there. It was a lot bigger than the one I just caught. So let's see if we can hook them up. That's a big blow up right there. Let's try a cast right here. And if nothing, we'll move on to the next pond. Damn, that's a huge turtle. You see that right there? All right, so it's getting late. Didn't get any other bites, but we did get that one chunky little boy. Damn, that guy was fat. That's what we came for, man. I knew there was gonna be big fish in here. You just gotta throw the right lure and hit him at the right spot. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.